Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and product insights. Today, we're diving into what could be the best slime-making kit for girls aged 8 to 12, the Ultimate Slime Kit. Whether you're planning a party, looking for a creative gift, or just want to have some fun at home, this kit is packed with everything your child needs to make slime that's colorful, sparkly, and even glow in the dark. Let's talk about what's inside the box. The Ultimate Slime Kit includes over 50 different supplies, which means hours of entertainment and endless creativity. You'll find 18 beautifully vibrant colors of crystal slime, ranging from clear to purple, along with 12 types of glitter, foam beads, fishbowl beads, and more. The best part? You can mix and match these elements to create your very own personalized slime. The kit even comes with the glow-in-the-dark slime, making it perfect for a fun surprise once the lights go out. Now, this isn't just any slime-making kit. It's designed to unleash creativity while developing motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It's not only fun, but also educational. The hands-on experience encourages kids to experiment with colors and textures, helping them learn about mixing and creating different slime types. Plus, it's safe for children 5 and up. The slime is made from non-toxic materials, and you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals, as the kit is free from borax powder. If you've been looking for a slime kit that doesn't just entertain but also encourages learning, the Ultimate Slime Kit hits the mark. This makes it an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or even just a fun afternoon with family and friends. And because it's washable and reusable, the fun doesn't have to end after one slime-making session. You can keep the fun going and experiment with new combinations every time. For parents, the peace of mind comes in knowing that the materials are all eco-friendly and ASTM certified for safety. The slime is easy to clean up, and while it's safe, it's important to remember that it's not for consumption, so always supervise younger children during playtime. Overall, this Ultimate Slime Kit for girls 8 to 12 offers incredible value with its wide range of supplies, safe materials, and the endless opportunities it provides for creative play. Whether you're a slime enthusiast or new to the world of DIY slime, this kit is sure to impress and keep kids entertained for hours. Thanks for tuning into this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our future product reviews. Until next time, happy slime making!